Hi guys, in today's video, we're gonna learn the names of different utensils we use in the kitchen. Last week, one of my students was trying to explain one recipe to the class, and that was when I realized that it's quite a challenge when we do not know the names of these utensils in English. So, in this video, I'm gonna give you the vocabulary you need when you are working in the kitchen.
Cleaver. It's a heavy knife used especially for cutting meat. Spatula. We use it especially for lifting food out of pans. Tray pan, or simply a tray. We use it for baking or cooking food in the oven. Peeler. We use a peeler for removing the skin of fruit and vegetables. Grater. We rub food against a grater in order to cut it into a lot of small pieces. Rolling pin. We use it to roll over dough or pastry to make it flat. Colander. It's a big bowl with small holes in it. We use it for washing food, or when you make pasta, you pour the pasta into a colander to drain. Ladle. It's a very big spoon with a long handle, used especially for serving soup. Chopping board. It's a board on which vegetables and other types of food are chopped. Corkscrew. It is used for removing corks from bottles. Oven mitts or oven gloves, used for taking hot things out of an oven. Whisk. We use it for beating food such as eggs and cream in order to make it light. Pressure cooker. It's a cooking pan that allows food to cook quickly in steam under pressure.
So that was all for today, but I'm gonna make some more videos to show you more utensils and to talk about some action words we need when we are working in the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again. Take care.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.